Welcome to this brief overview of Infoblox Education Services. The entire Education Services team is proud of how we help our customers implement and operate their Infoblox solutions. Our charter is to deliver programs that enable our customers to acquire the knowledge and skills to maximize their Infoblox investment. In the next few minutes, you'll learn about the benefits of employee training, the training challenges we see impacting our customers, our approach to education and the services we offer, and how you can start your learning journey with us now. For many organizations, training employees is mostly seen as an obligation that employers must fulfill rather than a strategic part of their business success. Experts and business leaders like Andy Grove, co-founder of Intel, agree that training is one of the single most important activities company leaders and managers can offer their people. And even with as little as 1% improvement from training, you can gain a notable return on investment. At Infoblox, we understand how training is essential to the success of your solution and how valuable everyone's time is. Therefore, we're only interested in delivering training that drives results. Infoblox has trained thousands of users across hundreds of companies. When we talk to these companies, we discover many of them are unaware of the impact training can have on their business. Research by the Association for Talent Development shows that organizations that invest in training their employees achieve over 200% higher revenue per employee, 24% higher profit margins, and a 6% higher shareholder return. There isn't a company in the world that wouldn't want to see those kind of results. When you dig a little deeper behind these numbers, research shows just how and where training impacts operational expenditure and the talent pool. IT projects are always subject to cost overruns, and it's one of the greatest sources of frustrations for finance, IT leaders, and budget holders. According to McKinsey & Company, one of the highest contributing factors to IT project cost overruns is the lack of skills required to achieve project outcomes. For every investment in technology that organizations make, they want to see the maximum return on that investment. Training increases that likelihood by as much as 90%, according to a study by CEDMA, the Computer Education Management Association. All companies face the challenge of attracting and retaining top talent. According to Harris Interactive, one of the world's leading market research firms, employees that receive no training are 3 times more likely to want to leave their jobs. Unhappy employees are a cost businesses simply cannot afford. And finally, according to CEDMA research findings, project team member productivity can increase by as much as 6 times through timely and effective training. Technological change is persistent, and IT organizations are facing some of the biggest challenges ever when it comes to training-related requirements. The pace of change in business is unrelenting. IT organizations find themselves having to be far more nimble and flexible to meet the ever-changing needs and demands of the business. Employee skills must be able to support the projects that are aligned to business priorities. What IT spends or budgets its money on today might not be what it needs tomorrow. IT organizations need to know that they have the flexibility to decide tomorrow what training to deploy, even though they have committed the funds today. Blink, and all the resources with training and tribal knowledge are gone. In the modern economy, jobs, responsibilities, and priorities change more rapidly than ever, resulting in employees being moved into new roles without having been trained or accredited. The complexity of technology, coupled with the ongoing demands of the business for continuous service, means IT staff can't just disappear for training. Gone are the days when whole project teams could be out of commission for days. According to the University of North Carolina survey, 65% of millennials say that the existence of personal development opportunities was the most influential factor in choosing their current job. At Infoblox, we understand the training needs and challenges of our customers, and we've developed solutions that deliver. We start with a learning plan customized to your Infoblox implementation, which includes learning paths and accreditation programs for continuous employee development and solution expertise. Learners define their own learning paths, decide what they take and when. and are able to stay focused on their work while keeping their knowledge current. To protect your training investment, you can use Infoblox training credits to choose the training employees take, no matter what training needs were originally projected. This is vital to being able to predict costs and ensure that your money is not wasted. In the 24/7 economy, with flexible working hours and pressure on IT project teams to deliver on time and on budget, users need to be able to access their learning anywhere, anytime, and in any format that suits them, whether it be live instructor-led courses, self-paced on-demand learning, or downloadable material that they can use on the go. Infoblox offers a flexible menu of learning options suited to all our customers' needs. Ultimately, what we bring to our customers is simplicity, flexibility, and value. Your training is easy to acquire, easy to change, easy to access, and easy to navigate. 100% customer-defined learning plans from the implementation right down to the user level. A learning credit model to future-proof your training investment, and 24/7 access to training and learning materials. Our customers are able to achieve better operational efficiency by applying lessons learned and best practices learned in training. Faster time to value by getting their solution right the first time. Increased productivity through rapid onboarding of new hires and team members, and ongoing access to the right learning at the right time. Decreased costs using our flexible learning credit model. Retention of high-value employees through industry-recognized training and accreditation programs. You can learn more about our services on our website or contact us directly at training@infoblox.com. The entire Education Services team thanks you for your time, and we look forward to being a part of your Infoblox learning journey.